Nice day in South Georgia, Bainbridge, that is. Memorial Day 2022. It's the Earl May Park and Boat Basin. I don't know if you can see it. They have a man-made beach. I'll get a shot of it in a little while. Most of my videos are about trains, and if you listen hard enough, you can hear a train in the background. There's a lot of people out just enjoying the day. Check that out, cruising on the boat. The parking lot is full of boat trailers and people just out having fun. We're about to go down this trail, see where it leads. But this is just an awesome place surrounded by water. And again, I'll try to get a shot of that beach. The beach with the gators in just a few minutes. See what we see. There's the Flint River. Some sort of a cool old factory through the woods. Some jet skis and a cool boardwalk. We'll see where it goes. Check that out, guys. Little baby turtle chilling on the log. Nice day out on the river. Cool big old cypress tree. The boardwalk, I guess, was closed. There was some orange flag on it. It's not in the best of condition, but you can see where they've rebuilt it right up here, or maybe they just pressure washed it, who knows. There's a swamp over here in the woods. Not really sure what else is out here. I've never been out here. Normally I go to Osceola, which is in Florida. So no telling what we'll see out here. Maybe a Georgia gator. See a lot of Florida gators where I'm at. Yeah, I'm guessing this is old too. You can see the hole there. But until somebody says, hey, go away, we're just gonna stay. Just avoid the hole. I'm not that heavy. I don't think I'd fall through. I'm walking in the middle. This is the end. It's kind of cool. Here's some speedboats out here. See if we can get a good shot of the speedboats. Oh yeah. It's a jet ski, I think. Zoom in on that dude. Pulling a raft. Having a lot of fun out here in South Georgia. Who says you gotta go to the beach to have fun? Whoop, whoop. They're doing it out there too. Beautiful day. It's kind of videos I like to watch on a rainy, nasty day. This is just awesome out here. I can't really move around too much because I'm not sure when maintenance was last performed on this deck. But it doesn't really bother me. There is water up under here, leading to a swamp behind me. It's the Flint River. Kind of snakes on around somewhere to the Gulf, I guess. Got a big history. This is actually the Bainbridge Port is right over here. Port of Bainbridge, inland port of Bainbridge, South Georgia. But this is just awesome here. I could just spend the whole day hanging out looking at stuff, seeing what's what. So walk with me. watch this video on a nasty rainy day and pretend you're here with me. Definitely all kinds of signs of wildlife out here. Seen squirrels, fox squirrels too. Those are the big squirrels. Also signs of human life out here, unfortunately, and we know what people buy those for. There's the swamp, and then above the swamp there's a road, camping back here, and the beach is over there on the other side. We'll check that out in a little while. Just a nice day out here, not many clouds in the sky. I heard something over here. It may have just been the wake. At least I hope that's what it was. Sounded like a big snort of some sort. See the road, truck driving in. Fishers, people fishing, getting some sun. Let's continue on, my friends. Just gotta watch my step. And there you have it, as promised, man-made beach. Right here in the inlet of the Earl May boat basin off of the Flint River. You see some kids out there having fun. Of course, it's not the Gulf of Mexico, but hey, it'll do. That's the cool thing about these small little towns. You can always find something to do, even when the locals say there ain't nothing to do here. I don't know where we're going next time, but we'll be around somewhere having fun with just a tank of gas, if that. Maybe just a bicycle next time. Alright, like, subscribe, come on to my next video journey with me. Take it easy. Out.